Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing your account so searching works smoothly. Enable Contacts Sync and grant Telegram access. This lets the app match numbers quickly. Next, set a clear username and adjust phone visibility and privacy to control who can find you. Once done, decide your search scope, whether local contacts, mutual groups, or direct username lookups. Start with the contacts and people nearby features to surface matches fast. These steps reduce noise and let you act immediately. Now you move into advanced execution. Search exact usernames and phone numbers for precise hits. Use people nearby to find locals. Make sure location services are active. Scan mutual groups and channel member lists for people who share interests and message politely with a short intro. Once done, leverage directory bots and location or hashtag tags to find niche communities. This multiplies your reach without spamming. Make sure to tailor messages so recipients recognize why you reached out. Finish by making meaningful connections. Send a concise intro that states who you are and why you want to connect. If someone doesn't appear, verify phone number formatting, privacy settings, and that contacts are synced. These issues cause most misses. Once done, try toggling contact sync off and on, rechecking username spelling, and refreshing people nearby. If problems persist, change visibility briefly or ask the person to share their username. This targeted troubleshooting solves most discovery failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.